What is up, YouTube? So we haven't made a video in quite a while, and that's mainly because half the time I ordered stuff and nothing ever turned up. But as you can see, got a bunch of stuff here, and we'll start getting some more videos out. But today, I believe our video is about what's in this box. So let's move all this over and get this car. So this is what we will be doing today. This is the HSP self that I've been trying to see how fast I can make go. And in this box, move that again, we have the cheapest 4S ESC I could find on eBay. I don't even know what it is. It's a... I don't even know. It was literally $40 on eBay. So we're going to put that in it. And we're going to put this motor in it. And also run it on 4S. Because we'll only be doing speed runs. So it shouldn't get too hot as long as I keep an eye on the temperature. This is a 3900 kV BL motor, 3650, and we're going to try and run it and see how long these cheap stuff lasts. So this should fit, I believe. Yeah, looks like it will fit in. So let's get you guys closer and let's install it. Actually, you know what? I'm going to time lapse this. Alright then, well, we won't be using the BL motor because as you can see, the shaft has snapped off while I was trying to put the pinion on. That's cool. It literally just fell off, shattered. All I was doing was pushing the damn pinion over my hand and it come apart. So, luckily, we do have a Gould RC set up here. If you have a look, there's an ESC and a motor. So what I might do is, I might use this Gould RC motor. It's a 4370 kV though, but I mean it's cheap, so, and I haven't got anything anymore, so we may as well give it a go. So I think I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to be putting this in this with the other ESC, which is here. So see how it goes. Hopefully this one doesn't fall apart. So it's all set up now. As you've seen, I did show you this little breakage thingy. I don't know really what to do about that. I'm probably going to contact the company I bought it from because I haven't even used it yet. As you seen me unbox it. But let's just give it a test. It's only a single 2-cell battery at the moment. Let's just make sure it all works as intended. And there goes the motorbike up the street. Turn the transmitter on first. Yeah, it all seems to be working. Steering's all working. Accelerator feels really soft. What the heck? Wait. That's flat. No, the motor's connected wrong or something. That's flat chat. In forward and then in reverse. The wires are literally the same colours. Blue, yellow. Oh, there's an orange and a red. Alright, I've got to switch some wires around. I don't know what way it's supposed to be. Something's wired wrong. Turn that off. Okay, so I had a look. It turns out that either, well, I don't think it's wired wrong. I think that the heat shrink is the wrong colour. Whoever heat shrinked it wrong from factory. So I had to put yellow to blue and yellow to blue both times. So it's the opposite way around. But now it's all good. Plug it in and have a look. That's why the throttle felt so soft. It's turned on. Double check. So it all feels good now. I don't know if you can have noticed, but the car is a lot lower. And the reason for that is because I've used zip ties around the shocks just to lower the centre of gravity and make the suspension a little bit stiffer. I don't know if it's going to work. It's going to try it. Basically working as a limiting strap for the suspension, but it's worth a shot. I'm going to put 4-cell on this real quick and give it a test in the garage before I take it to the road, just in case it smokes instantly. But we'll see how that goes. We've got 4-cell in there now. It's all strapped in. Now let's just plug it in and see what happens. Hit the power button. Here we go. It only beeps twice every time I turn it on, so don't know if it's really running on 4-cell until I hit the trigger. God, it's heavy. Definitely running on 4-cell. That's got motor. Feels alright. That is not even into the throttle at all. The motor is still cold as. I know I'm not driving it or anything, but the motor's being overvolted. But that's intentional. Should be okay as long as I keep it on temperatures. ESC doesn't feel like it's warmed up at all. Guess the only way I'm going to find out. Actually, it is a buggy. Technically, we could just take it outside onto the dirt. These wheels aren't going to last long.
Well, it's not my choice to take it out.
I have to cut that. No, stop it staying in now. We're just going to take it outside. I'm going to take it outside and put it on the dirt road and test it before I take it across the road and see how fast it'll go. Just going to give it like a couple quick blips of the throttle. Just make sure it doesn't... Ow, just stabbed my finger in the fan. Just make sure it doesn't blow up. So let's do that.
Don't break before it gets to the road.
Alright, so it's down on the dirt. Let's give it a go, eh? See how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't yeet or anything like that. We do live on the edge of a cliff with a creek there, so if it yeets, it's gone. And not everything's waterproof. It's way lower now. It's way low, it's stuck on a damn rock already. Oh no, it's coming off. It's alright. Alright. Feels alright. It's got to get into the throttle real slow because this is a high kV motor. It is running coil, so it's going to be quite long. We'll have a look in a minute. I don't know if you can see how far that is out there.
Good steering, mate.
Yeah. Oh my god, okay, that's enough. It just yeeted. Alright, let's check temperatures. Oh, okay, well. Ooh. No, everything's still cold. I know I didn't do anything crazy, but that's still cold and attached, so I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, so after I edited the video and all that, I realised the video was very long. So I'm going to split it into 2 parts, because I'm not sure what kind of video length you guys want to see and whatnot, so we're just going to keep it kind of shorter, but not really. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, comment down below what you think. In total, this setup here with this ESC and, well, the Ghoul RC motor, considering that the other one broke, which is just over here. If this motor didn't break, this setup here would have been like, what, that's $40, and that was $25 Australian, so not very much. What is that? Quick math, can't do it. $65. That took longer than it should have. So it cost me 65 Australian dollars to put that in there. And it's not rated for us, but it will run for us for short periods of time for speed runs and whatnot. Well, I hope. We're going to find out. I will try and find these on Amazon, both of them, and I'll link them down below if I can find them. Not entirely sure. I did buy them off eBay. But anyway, guys, if you want to see how well it goes, don't forget to subscribe. And the next half of this video will be posted probably the next few days, and we'll see how fast it goes. See you then.